Warning: please read the warning we make in the More Information section of our channel. We aren't responsible for the information herein. Use this lotion and you will never get any wrinkles on your skin. In brief moments, a written explanation. Aging is a natural process that cannot be prevented, and some of the early signs of aging are noticed in the appearance of fine lines on face and wrinkles around the corner of the eyes, lips and on the forehead. Wrinkles and fine lines on face are caused by the loss of collagen from the skin that forms the support structure of the skin cells. Although aging is inevitable and unavoidable, there are natural remedies such as this amazing anti-aging cream which can delay the approach and appearance of the signs of aging. This is probably the most effective anti-aging cream that you can easily make at home and use regularly. To make this cream, you will need following ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 1 medium-sized ripe tomato, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel. Remove the peel of ripe banana and cut the pulp in small pieces. Pro tip: if you have pimples on your skin, take a small piece of banana peel. Crush it and apply the juice on pimple. Now remove the seeds from tomato and squeeze the juice from remaining pulp. Squeeze 2 teaspoon juice and add it in banana pieces. Now take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel and mix it with the banana pulp. Now you have to mash the banana pulp and make a thick paste from it. Apply this paste on your face and let it sit for 25-30 minutes on your skin. After that, wash your face as usual with warm water. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.